So today I'm going to be showing you how to upload and connect your website to Google Search Console. And Google Search Console is very important and very essential, especially if you have a website, because it helps you keep track and measure your website analytics and metrics, which is very, very essential to having a successful website or blog. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So when setting up Google Search Console, just want to go to your browser and enter Google Search Console in the search bar, and then click on this first option right here. Then click Start Now. And then you can either copy paste your domain name into this field right here, the URL prefix, or you can just type it in like I'm doing. I'm sure copy paste is faster, but I'm not in a rush, so I just chose to type it in. Okay, so instead of using the HTML file option, just scroll down, and we're actually going to use the HTML tag. So just click on the arrow, copy to clipboard, so it should be copied. Then you want to go to your WordPress homepage and go to plugins, add new, and then search, insert, headers, and footers, and just click enter, or then this first option right here, WP code, insert headers and footers. You're going to need to install that and then activate it. And then once that's done, I don't have to do that because I already have it, but once that is done, just want to scroll to the left hand side of the WordPress homepage and find the same plugin you just installed. So WP code is this one right here, code snippets, and click header and footer, and then you are just going to want to paste what you copied and paste it into the header section, save changes, then go back and then click done, and then re-enter your domain into the same field. Hit continue, and it's checking your verification. And then you just click go to property, and you are all set up. It's as simple and as easy as that.